Let's have a look on some more example for the integration by substitution method. And let's see the example. In the example, the integral sign 6x plus 4 whole to the power 7 and 6 dx is written. So in order to apply the direct method, as we all know that first of all, we have to see that where is the composite function. So the function 6x plus 4 whole to the power 7 is said to be composite function. The reason is it has the inner function, that is 6x plus 4 written inside the bracket, and also there is a power. So the power is said to be outer function. After recognizing the complex function, find out where is the inner function of that complex function, which you know already, it is 6x plus 4. Take the derivative of the inner function, which is 6. Now check if the 6 present in the quotient. Yes, it is present in the quotient. So if the derivative of the function is of the inner function is written inside the quotient, it is better to use the substitution method. And what you will do, apply the power rule. It means write the inner function as it is and add 1 in the power, that will gives you 8. The number written in the power should be divided here and plus c. So that is our direct answer. Now, if you want to do it with the long method, so the first thing is you have to name the inner function of the composite function as u. So that is 6x plus 4. Now here take the derivative of this function. So you will write du over dx because you are taking the derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of 6x is 6 and the derivative of 4 is 0. No need to write the 0. Bring the dx on the other side. So it will gives you du equals to 6dx. Now convert the whole quotient into u form. So here 6x, I am writing here again the quotient for you. Here power 7, 6 dx. So convert the whole x forms into u form. Write the integral sign as it is. You already know that 6x plus 4 is equal to u. So in place of 6x plus 4, just write down the u. This power 7, write on the top of the u. Now 6 dx. If you look here, 6 dx is equal to du. So write down in place of 6 dx as du. Now this is the normal power rule. That means that says that if x to the power n dx is written, it will gives you have to add 1 in the power and write the same thing in the denominator. So you will write the u, add 1 in the power, so 7 plus 1 will gives you 8 divided by 8 plus c. Now convert the u into x form, and you already suppose that u equals to 6x plus 4. So write down 6x plus 4 in place of u, write the 8 as it is, this 8 in the denominator write down as it is, and plus c. Now compare the direct method and the long method have the same answers. Do one more question. In this question, the first thing again, now let's start with the long method. So where is the composite function? The composite function is the function which carries a power also. That means 5x square plus 1 whole cube is your composite function. From this composite function, we all know that the function written inside the power, inside the bracket, is termed as inner function. And in the u substitution method, we always name the inner function as u. So we will write here u equals to 5x square plus 1. Now take the derivative of the function, that means with respect to x. So du over dx equals to 10x and derivative of 1 is 0. Bring the dx on the other side. So du equals to 10x dx. Once you are done, with the derivative and everything, point out the first equation and see the last equation du. Now convert the whole question into u form. So you already named 5x squared plus 1 as u. So write down u. This power 3 right on the top of the 3. Now here you have x dx, whereas on the u side you have 10x dx. It means 10 is extra. So divide both sides by 10. So you will get, now du over 10 can be written as 1 over 10 du. Now you have here on the other side x dx. So you can see that this x dx in the quotient can be written as 1 over 10 du. So 1 over 10 is a constant, so always write before the integral sign, and du is the operator of the entire derivative, so write it at the end of the question. Now again, it's a simple power rule. In the power rule, we don't write whenever you integrate, do not write the integral sign, do not write the operator. Now add 1 in the power, so it becomes u to the power 4 over 4, and it is an indefinite integral, so add the constant of integration. Now 1 over 10 divided by 4, it will gives you 1 over 40 u to the power 4 plus c. In the end, what you have to do, just write down u in terms of x. The name of the u is already 5x squared plus 1. So write down 1 over 40, 5x squared plus 1. And this power 4 should be written over here and plus c.